Hello children, today we are going to learn all about letter D. This is our capital D or the big D and I like to call it Mama D. And this is the small d or the lowercase d or the baby d. You know what sound letter D makes? Letter D makes the sound D, D. Drum. So you can remember the sound of letter D with the sound of the drum. See me play on my drums, on my drums, on my drums. See me play on my drums, d, 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 drums. D is the sound, we know it. So letter D makes the sound D. Say it with me, D, D. Drums. Now meet my friend Danny the dinosaur. Danny is his name. And he's a dinosaur starting with letter D. Dinosaur Danny loves to eat donuts. Do you like to eat donuts? Donuts are very sweet. Danny the dinosaur loves to eat donuts. Danny loves his daddy. Danny also loves to play the drums. Danny met a deer and they made friends. Danny the dinosaur, the deer. Deer had dots on its body. Dots. Deer, dots. Again with letter D. Danny and deer ate lots and lots of donuts and they danced. Dance all day. Day. So what were the words we learnt with letter D? Dinosaur, deer, dots, dance, drums and donuts. So to learn more such fun letter sounds phonics, don't forget to subscribe to our Ivy Kids channel. Stay tuned for the next phonic videos, and to learn more such things in greater details, click on the link below and download it. Download our Ivy Kids app. See you later.